Hi, good day. My name is Julio Vargas, and today I'm going to make this small tutorial to tell you about WP Video Machine. This is one paid plugin that I'm using in my WordPress site that helped me to convert my posts in videos. For example, this is a sell page. This is a software that helps you to make the post that you have on your website in video with text to speech. Then you're going to use the picture that you have in your post. They're going to make one animation of the background. I'm going to put some content. They're going to help you to get more traffic, and the person that visit your website stay more time, and then you're going to ranking better in Google. And this video, you're going to share this video on your YouTube account, your Vimeo account, your bio, everywhere that you can share videos. You can make short videos like a sales page. You can use it in your Amazon affiliation account. You can use it in your Facebook ads. Everywhere you can use this video that you want to create with this software. And this only going to cost you $15 US today. How this plugin going to help you? For example, this is a newbie friendly, super simple to launch video machine. You create your videos in only 3 steps. So the step 1, you install the plugin. Step 2, see, these are the posts that you have on your website. You only have to click here and create video. I'm going to share my website to show you how you can make this. You can see it's going to take a few minutes, and it's going to appear in this video done. You can make edition, you can download. This is my Warrior Plus account. This is when you buy the plugin, they're going to send you one email, and then you're going to download the zip file that contains this plugin. I bought 2 of this software. Yes, WP Video Machine multi-size licensing, and I bought all of these plugins for this gentleman, and I'm using in my WordPress site. From the WP Auto Ranker Pro, Auto Ranker single site, Affiliate Machine, Pro Upgrade, Affiliate Machine monthly content. This is going to give you about 30 articles every month you want to use in your website. You have to pay more for rights on articles to the person that bought on Fiverr on Upworks. This plugin going to give you every month 30 articles. And this affiliate machine going to help you to get the list. You have this WP Content Guard, Affiliated Web Developer Pro, Affiliated Web Unlimited, Fast Funnel Builder. All of that plugin I am using in my websites. See, I made 2 tutorials of how you build one website using WordPress and Bluehost, and uses free themes, free plugins. But I have to make one tutorial to show different paid plugins that I am using in my website. When you have this plugin already, you only come into plugins, you press add new, add new plugin, press upload plugin, choose the file, and then this is all the plugin that I have in my website. You see? This WP video machine, and when it's here, you only have to press install. I don't want to install because I have already installed it in my website. And then you come into your plugin, and you see these are all the videos that I have already. See, all that post I convert in video. You see, you can check the video here, you can edit, you can download, you can publish in YouTube. It's going to generate some money from your website, selling this plugin as affiliated marketer, and you're going to earn money on YouTube. I want to see this. Start the video. So you have the texture speech and have this script here in the screen. So you're going to change the background. And here's the call to action.
Satisfying as creating something useful with skills that you have. These plans will give you that satisfaction if you use them well.
You see?
Intense woodworking plans.
The call to action here at the end of the video. This plugin makes everything for you. Here you see the pictures. Here where you are in the page that you're going to make the picture, you have everything in your library. You can change the picture, you can add more pictures, you can edit everything in that video. Now we're going to make this test for you. You come into post, see, this are all the posts that you have on your website. You only have to come and first click create video. This is the post that you have, and this will be the name of the video that you're going to create. WordPress one-click video site builder review. Create video in 60 seconds. These are the content that you have in your post. These are the pictures that you have in your post. You want to add more pictures, you come into add more. You can upload the file, or you can use your library. Yeah, I have all of this in my library. Only you want to select your first and add to your video. But I'm only going to use these two now. So you come in for fix the video. This is in English. You are going to make in French, in Spanish. You only have to press in and change. You want to use one female voice or one male voice. And add background music. From here you can disable the animation, and you can. I'm going to leave this in blank because the background is going to be moving when the video is running. You can use that standard definition, HD, HD 10 and 80. You can use the style here, text to overlay. You can change here everything. Can change the text color. I want to use red. If you want to upload to YouTube, but I don't like to send directly to YouTube because maybe you have to make some editions, some text, and I don't going to mark this. And then you press create video. You see, the software is creating the video. It only takes 5 minutes to 30 minutes. You come into video. Here is the video, you see? One-click video site builder, and it's processing. This is the date for today. March 16, 2019. The time, here you can make the addiction, you can delete, and make everything. You can check the info here. And that's it for today. This is my review for WP Video Machine. And I would like you to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make a comment, hit the like button, the notification bell, and I recommend you to buy this WordPress plugin. Going to help you for your website, for the person that visit your site, stay more time seeing the videos that you have on your website. And you're going to monetize on YouTube this video that you never create, only this software made for you. You can make the review as I am doing, and you can resell this plugin and resell other plugins on YouTube. And from YouTube you can redirect the traffic to your website. And it's like a snowball effect. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you.